Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hey, it's Nit. Since it's my first ever video when I'm sitting in front of the camera, I am super excited as well as nervous. And I want you guys to watch it all the way to the end, even if it gets a bit boring. Well, this video is particularly for all the students who are anxiously waiting for their class 10th board exam results. Yeah, I know, it sounds heavy. Well, actually, I am one of them. I gave my CBSE 10th board exams this year, and the expected date for the results to be out is around 27th to 30th May. And I can definitely understand your state of mind right now, what might be going on inside your head every single day. So yesterday I was thinking about my upcoming results, and I went through YouTube searching for videos that kind of could boost me up regarding this matter, but I couldn't find any. So I thought there might be many students like me who must have looked for such videos but ended up with nothing. So I planned to make my own video. I spent a lot of time thinking about this and finally came up with a way which actually resulted in a confident me. I'm feeling really confident and, to be honest, not at all scared. This idea really worked out for me, and I hope it helps you guys too. So, few months back, I ordered a book called The Secret to Teen Power by Paul Harrington, and I read the book recently and I absolutely fell in love with it. There was a chapter, actually a small topic. It said you just have to follow 3 steps to get what you want. The 3 steps were ask, believe, and receive. First of all, you have to ask for what you want. Don't ever be like, यार पास हो जाओ उतना ही काफ़ी है, बस 60% आ जाए, फर्स्ट डिवीजन आ जाए, घर में घुसने मिल जाएगा, and so on. Come on guys, you know your capability, you know how well you have given your exams, you know how intelligent you are, man, then why just pray for getting passed? You must always expect the maximum marks you are capable of getting. If you think you can get a 10 CGPA, expect for 10. Next is you have to believe. You have to believe that whatever you're expecting for, you can definitely get it. It's coming your way. Believe that it's coming your way. Just be confident about it, because that's how you're going to send your energy to the universe, which is going to execute your demands. Last but not the least, receive. Imagine that you already got what you wanted. Manage to feel how you'll feel when you have that perfect mark sheet in your hand with the perfect and exact marks you wanted. And once you manage that jumping on the couch kind of feeling, you'll be in perfect sync with your desire. Come on now, pick up a pen, write it down. Imagine the day when the results are out and you got the exact expected marks. That happiness, that excitement, that smile on your parents' face, the glittery atmosphere all around. Feel it and write the whole scenario down. And once you are all set up, stick it somewhere in your room where it's kind of easily noticeable, and read it 5 to 6 times a day whenever your sight falls on it. So whenever you read it, you must feel it, and if you have that enough urge, enough desire, enough energy, no doubt you'll get what you want. No doubt you'll attract it. You can even force the universe to give it to you. And well, this idea works out for me most of the time, but I can't give you a guarantee because it all depends on the efforts you put in. So I just say try it, because there's no harm in trying. Maybe it could work for you as well. We still have a week left for the results to be out, and if you watch my video a day before the results, I say try it, because it's never too late. You can even force the universe, you can even connect to the universe in 1 minute or even in few seconds. So best of luck to all the students, and I hope that you get what you want. If you liked my video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you liked me, please subscribe to my channel for more and more videos. Goodbye and best of luck.